OSU has done a great job of supporting me by really supporting experiential learning. Participating in both the robotics club and in research labs and contributing to research at Oregon State was a great opportunity. I was able to travel the world for that, and that's something that I wouldn't have been able to do otherwise.
So crazy enough, I was able to get 3 publications as an undergrad out of university. I had never expected anything like that to be possible. I expected it to be competitive, but really all you had to do here was just go in and ask.
I think it's really important that people learn how to use different skills that aren't necessarily related to their major. Like I learned how to do CAD this weekend,